Santa-sized means Christmas is bigger in Dallas. And that means the biggest product selection in the entire world at this year's Holiday and Home Expo. With product selections from Beijing to Barcelona, from Cape Town to Jakarta, the Discovery Tours, hosted by yours truly, are literally a trip around the world under one roof. And with over 90 permanent showrooms, in a Santa-sized 400,000 square feet, all under one roof, you can in fact tour the planet in a day and still have time for your 3 o'clock cappuccino or take in one of the seminars with the holiday and home industry experts. By the end of the day, you'll have traveled the entire world and experienced Santa-sized inspiration with the latest in trends in color, display, and merchandising.